Make this simple and easy texture-based rigging. My sprite sheet is 512 by 512 pixels and each cell is 128 by 64 pixels. Make sure your sprite sheet's values are in power of 2, it's easier that way. Also, it's important to know the dimensions and properly organize them in the sprite sheet. I am going to rig the texture in this plane. I have named this plane as mouth. Go to Object Properties and locate Custom Properties, click New. And change the type to integer and name it whatever you like. I am going to name it Mouth Expression, then click OK. Add a material, I'll name it Mouth Sprite. Go to Shading, delete the principal BSDF node by pressing X. Add an image texture, emission node, transparent BSDF node and mix shader node. Connect them as shown in the video. As you can see, the alpha texture has appeared on the plane. Now add a mapping node and texture coordinate node. Connect vector to vector and UV to vector. As you can see, when I change the value on Y, the texture changes. Now we are going to use a single value to precisely drive the UV to move to the different sprites. For that, right-click on Y value and click Add Driver. Select Type as Single Property. Object is Plane, which I named as Mouth. And Path is the name of custom property, which is Mouth Expression in my case. In the Expression tab, put this expression. Var is the value given by the custom property, which is 0, 1, 2 and so on. Modulo 8 give the remainder. 8 is the number of rows and then multiplied by negative 0.125. 0.125 is the value of one step on y-axis. We can find the step by dividing 64, which is the breadth of single block, by 512, which is the texture length on that axis. It is negative because the UV is moving downwards and the origin is in the top left corner. Then the same process but with slightly different expression is applied on the x value while adding the driver. The expression is var floor division by 8 and multiplied by 0.25. Now when you'll change the value in custom property, the UV will go to that respective sprite pointing to the value, as you can see in the video. Hope this helped. If you still didn't understand, you can comment down and tell me if you'd like a longer video explaining how the function works.